Good morning, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So this is another early morning, and I'm heading out to Prime Motoring real quick. Got these bad boys in the trunk. This is my DC power alternator right here, and these are my mounts. This is the as I went over in the videos before, the differential brace, transmission mount, motor mounts, drive shaft carrier bushing mounts, and my positive shift kit that strengthens the transmission mount brace. So I guess I'll see you guys in a second. I do not know if I will be available to film anything today, depending on how busy they are, but I know I just got these things shipped to me like ASAP, so I'm taking it over there now. Hopefully by this weekend we should be able to film some dope ass content. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, fam, I just got here. It's roughly around 8 o'clock. They open around 9. Heat index is gonna be killer today too. But aside from that, a couple things to go over. This build took a little bit longer than anticipated. I've actually said this before. We were having some problem with precision and the turbocharger issue. So that's just one thing there. And it's a good thing that I went a different route. Otherwise, I still wouldn't have had a freaking turbo. I will be going over the details of the build in a future video. But as far as everything goes, all my parts are already here, from turbo kit, headers, everything, and the sets of parts I brought in today. That would be just some supporting parts like the XP series alternator from DC Power and different mounts from Torque Solution and Kind. So pretty much every single part that I need for the car is here. We just got to put it on and break in the motor. So hopefully I will be able to go in and see the motor. It all depends on availability, because I don't know, I mean, they could be shorthanded or anything like that. You never know. So I'll see you guys in a sec. All right, fam, time to head home. I definitely got a couple pictures to show you. Got a little bit of a video as well. Not to give away anything, but this shit is lit, man. They put some pieces together already, and I appreciate the fact that they accommodated me. They were freaking super busy, so it's like, sometimes, you go there at the wrong time. You're pretty much kind of like interrupting their workflow. So, what I mean? You don't want to do that either, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, thanks Prime Motoring, Nav, Dimitri. Thanks a lot for accommodating. And guys, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.